In this video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the candle close timer on TradingView so you know exactly when each candle will finish forming. This feature is especially helpful for scalpers and day traders. Let's get started. First, go to tradingview.com and sign in to your account. If you're not signed up yet, just click Join for free and create an account in seconds. Next, go to the top of the page and hover over Products. This will reveal the menu with various TradingView tools. Then, select Super Charts. This is where you'll be doing all your technical analysis and trading activity. After that, look at the bottom right corner of your chart screen and click the gear icon. This opens your chart settings. Now, click the Labels tab from the left-hand menu and then enable Countdown to Bar Close by checking the box. You can now see a live countdown timer on your chart, showing you how much time is left before the current candle closes. And that's how to get the candle close timer on TradingView. It's a small tweak that can make a big difference in your trading precision. If you found this helpful, like the video and subscribe to How to Tutor for more practical tutorials. See you next time!